If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Slide tabs outward to unlock and remove battery. Press in to release and remove SD card. Now use fingers to separate and remove keyboard bezel. Then unscrew and turn over keyboard. Now disconnect and remove keyboard. Then unscrew and remove hinge cap. Then unscrew and remove base cover. Then unscrew and remove corner covers. Then unscrew and disconnect palmrest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.